So yeah, Giving Day was a great day last year. A lot of the alumni love to come back and donate as much as they can, even though they say they wish they can donate more. We always get that a lot. I love to hear their stories and their memories that they want to share with us. Even if they can only donate a little bit, I love to hear what they have to say about the school and the changes and stuff. And they always want to come back too. I knew that I always wanted to help people. I've always been I've always had that personality. So I came here as a health science major and switched to communication disorders. Well, actually, my two cousins have Fanconi anemia. It's a very rare disease. And their muscles, they have facial paralysis. A lot of their muscles don't really work in their throat and stuff. And they have a lot of problems with eating and stuff and speech, and they had to go through that when they were younger. And they're my age, so I grew up with them. So I kind of saw all of that when I was growing up. I've also always had a heavy heart for elderly. When I see them, I just get really happy and I just want to go over and talk to them. And so working in a nursing home has also always been in the back of my head that I wanted to do. I lived with my grandmother for a few years who I loved, and I loved helping her with whatever she needed. So I always knew that that's what I wanted to do. Yeah, this whole spirit, mind, and body. Every alumni, it's a part of them, whether they know it or not after they graduate. They always have that caring personality. They always have that friendly personality, I think. And it never really leaves them, especially if it does, especially when they hear Springfield College, it like turns on something, brings them back to what they remember and all the memories.